It's new month, guys. And Madam Peco Africa is here. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen for your area? Ha! Number months we dey like this, so and wetin dey happen be say everybody just dey rush. Dey put their money for land wey no dey rot, wey no dey expire, wey no dey spoil. So far say that money you pay am to my company, and then you collect your land documents. The next day you go quickly do your fence. If you wan do your fence by yourself, all we need to do is to send you the company surveyor, and the surveyor go follow you go there, show you your own plot, your own beacon, your own portion of land, so that you no go encroach into the next person land, make wahala no dey. And once dem show you, give you your documents, all you need to do na to put your fence. If you wan build, you build and pack enter inside. We get buy and build, we get there you go buy wait small, we get already made home, luxurious home. As you buy, you just carry your bag of clothes pack inside. You no know? So we are not here to play. Make you quickly call Madam Peco Africa on 090342965119. Come collect your own sharp sharp. Anyone where you dey inside, we go run am. Is that the one here? Now why I sit down here dey wait for you now? Why dey office? Quickly call me. And the number again to call is 090342965119. Madam Peco dey wait for you.